We are the only airport in North America that has completely integrated drones operating among commercial traffic.
When it comes to what's happening in aviation, it's not just the U.S. is looking here. Really, it is a global look at what's happening here in Central New York. We have Genius New York, we have Tech Garden, we have NUAIR. All these capabilities are helping us develop an ecosystem. So the companies are coming here from international locations to be here because this is the hub. People don't realize how progressive we are here and how forward-leaning we are with aviation. All the technology you see in here are all companies that come through the UAS Jobs Fund, Genius New York program, or residents of Tech Garden. This is starting to become the destination for all things kind of advanced air mobility for the Air Force in terms of how they expect to manage this type of air traffic moving forward.
This next year is really getting ready for this expected growth. It should be coming in, not only Micron with the UAS industry, with other things happening in the region. We have to be ready for it.